Have you ever dreamed of visiting Paris, but fear you won't be able to communicate in English when you get there? Or perhaps you understand English, but freeze when it's time to speak about the places you want to visit? Hello, it's a pleasure to have you here. I'm Charlie. Here on our channel, we believe that slow English is the fastest way to unlock your fluency. When you listen and repeat phrases at a slow pace, your brain processes information better and you gain confidence to speak. If you're new here, on this channel we teach slow English focused on travel topics so you can combine the useful with the pleasant. In this video, you'll learn about the main tourist attractions in Paris using slow English. You'll follow the audio and be able to repeat some phrases to increase your speaking and comprehension level. After all, this is the best way to learn faster. So, pay close attention to everything that's spoken here, because each word, each phrase, is already part of the goal to accelerate your learning. Okay? Stay until the end, because I'll also present 5 words considered difficult to improve your vocabulary, and I'll give you an extra tip on how to make the most of your trip to Paris. This video was created especially for you who are at A1 or A2 level and want to practice your listening and speaking naturally. Prepare yourself for an incredible journey through the City of Light. Get your notebook, relax, and let your mind absorb each word. Remember, repetition is the key to fast learning. Let's begin. Paris is the capital of France. France is a beautiful country in Europe. Paris is also called the City of Light because of its beautiful lights at night. Millions of people visit Paris every year. Let me show you the 5 most incredible places you must visit in Paris. This way, when you visit them, you'll already have your English sharpened to enjoy the best of each tourist spot. First, the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is the most famous symbol of Paris. It is 330 meters tall. You can go up to the top and see the whole city. At night, the tower has beautiful golden lights. Many people take photos here. It is located in the center of Paris. The Eiffel Tower was built in 1889. Gustave Eiffel designed it. At first, many people didn't like it. Now everyone loves it. There are restaurants inside the tower. The best time to visit is at sunset. Second, the Louvre Museum. The Louvre is the most famous museum in the world. You can see the Mona Lisa painting here. The museum has thousands of beautiful artworks. The building itself is also very beautiful, with a glass pyramid at the entrance. Third, Notre-Dame Cathedral. This is a very old and beautiful church. It has incredible architecture with tall towers. You can climb the towers and see the gargoyles. The cathedral is on an island in the River Seine. Fourth, the Arc de Triomphe. This is a large monument in the middle of a busy street called Champs-Élysées. You can shop and eat on this street. The Arc de Triomphe honors French soldiers. Fifth, Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur. This is a hill with a beautiful white church on top. Many artists work here. You can watch them painting and buy their art. The view from here is spectacular. Before we continue, let's start a bit of the practical part. I want you to imagine planning your trip to Paris and already thinking about what you'll do there. I'll help you with some phrases that make sense at this planning stage, okay? For example, I'm going to Paris for my next holidays. Come on, I'll give you a moment to repeat the phrase, I'm going to Paris for my next holidays. Very good. Another phrase could be, when I arrive in Paris, I'll go straight to see the Eiffel Tower. Your turn, repeat. When I arrive in Paris, I'll go straight to see the Eiffel Tower. That's it. Keep practicing. Now, let's change a bit. How about a question? It could be something like, does it rain much in Paris? Your turn. Repeat. Does it rain much in Paris? Another question. What is Parisians' favorite dish? Your turn. What is Parisians' favorite dish? Very good. You're already starting to get the hang of speaking English to do well when you go to Paris. And since we mentioned food, I want to talk a bit about typical Parisian dishes. French food in Paris is incredible. You must try croissants for breakfast. They are buttery and delicious. French cheese is world famous. Try brie or camembert. French bread is fresh and crispy. Don't forget to try macarons. They are colorful and sweet. French wine is also excellent, but only if you're over 18. It's also important for you to know about the climate in Paris, which is mild. Spring and summer are the best times to visit. In spring, you can see beautiful flowers everywhere. Summer is warm, but not too hot. Autumn has beautiful colors in the parks. Winter can be cold and rainy, but the city becomes magical with Christmas lights. Now it's your turn to practice again. I want you to repeat after me. This will help you improve your speaking and build confidence. Ready? Repeat after me. Paris is the capital of France. Very good. It's important to repeat to accelerate your learning. The Eiffel Tower is very tall. Excellent. Your pronunciation is improving. The Louvre has the Mona Lisa. Perfect. Keep practicing like this. French food is delicious. Amazing. You're doing very well. I want to visit Paris. Wonderful. I can hear your confidence growing. Now, let's practice some phrases about French architecture. Paris has beautiful buildings everywhere. The buildings are old but well preserved. Many have balconies with iron decorations. The streets are wide and tree-lined. The architecture tells the story of France. Repeat after me. Paris has beautiful architecture. Great work! You're improving quickly. The buildings are very old. Excellent. Your fluency is developing. I love French style. Perfect. You're sounding more natural now. Finally, let's practice talking about weather and climate. Weather is always a good topic for casual conversations. In Paris, people frequently talk about the weather. It changes often, so always carry an umbrella. Repeat after me. The weather in Paris is nice. Very good. Talking about weather is essential for daily conversations. Spring is my favorite season. Excellent. You're building your speaking confidence. Now, as I promised, I'll present the 5 words considered difficult, but which we use almost every day when talking about travel and tourism. First word, architecture. Architecture. It means the design and construction of buildings. Example: the architecture in Paris is magnificent. Second word, spectacular. Spectacular. It means something very impressive and beautiful. Example: the view from the Eiffel Tower is spectacular. Third word, preserved. Preserved. It means kept in good condition over time. Example: the old buildings in Paris are well preserved. Fourth word, monument. Monument. It means a structure built to remember something important. Example: the Arc de Triomphe is a famous monument. Fifth word, magnificent. Magnificent. It means extremely beautiful and impressive. Example: Paris is a magnificent city. And here's my extra tip about Paris. Always carry a map or have Google Maps on your mobile phone. Paris has many small streets and it's easy to get lost. But don't worry. Getting lost in Paris can be an incredible adventure. You might discover charming cafes and unique shops that aren't in the tourist guides. Remember, the goal of this type of video is for you to have complete understanding of what was spoken and explained. Therefore, I recommend you watch this video at least twice. The first time, just listen and absorb. The second time, pause and repeat all the phrases with me. This will greatly accelerate your learning. Slow English is truly the most effective method for developing your fluency. When you practice with slow and clear speaking, your brain has time to process each word, each sound, each structure. This builds your confidence naturally. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel, leave your like and comment below what you liked most in this lesson. Your participation motivates me to create more quality content for your fast learning. Which Paris tourist spot do you most want to visit? Leave it in the comments. Keep practicing your English. And remember, every day is a new opportunity to improve your fluency. I'll see you in the next video.